Hello. Asha, sorry. Asha has come. Hello.
Sir.
Asha has come. Very good. Asha, you are that
Yes.
girl near Bangalore, no? MSc,
Yes,
Mathematics.
sir. Yes,
MSc.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Good,
Yes,
good,
sir.
good. I think you have
I'm
been,
from Chikbalapur, sir.
yeah, I
Chikkaballapur.
Chikbalapur. I think you were
Hmm.
listening to the previous
The,
interview, Raghava and as
yes,
well
sir.
as Ashmita. Good.
Arshita.
Ashita. Acha, acha, acha. That's right. Now, you have studied MSc Mathematics.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me how banks people are more suited for banking?
Sir, maths people means they are good in calculation part, and
Hmm,
they are also aware of the softwares. What the bankings are using the softwares. They are also aware of that part, and I think they are quick learners.
hmm,
Mathematics people are quick learners,
hmm,
and as well as they are hard workers also,
hmm,
because uh, if any student is a mathematics student means he didn't easily pass that subject. If he is a good hard worker means will definitely pass the subject. So um, the mathematics student is also a hard worker,
hmm.
so he is suitable for banking.
Yeah, you can also add one more point that mathematics requires some extra efforts on one's part and analytical skill. And such analytical
Yes, sir.
skills will be helpful for bankers.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Which bank do you have an account?
SBI, State Bank of India.
What do you know about State Bank of India?
So State Bank of India, it is the largest public sector bank and most profitable bank in public sector, and it was established in 1955, July 1st, 1955, and the present chairperson of the State Bank of India is Rajneesh Kumar, and headquarter is in Mumbai, sir.
Yeah. Are you aware that there is an advertisement that has come 2 days back about
Yes,
selection
sir.
of officers? Are you eligible
Yes,
for
sir.
that post? Yeah. Are
Circle
you
based
eligible?
officers, sir.
Are you eligible for that?
No, sir.
What?
As I'm a fresher, so I'm not eligible for that post, sir,
Good.
because the notification they require 2 years of experience as an officer. That's
Very
why
good.
I'm not eligible, sir.
Good, good, good. That is correct. You studied MSc Mathematics. Did you at any time work as a lecturer?
Yes, sir. I think 3 to 4 months after completion of my masters, I
Hmm.
worked as a guest lecturer.
You said, I think. Why do you say I think?
Sorry, sir. By mistake in
You
flow,
you
it will
you
come.
worked for 3 to 5 months. Acha, okay, good, good.
3 to 4 months.
3 to 4 months. Good. You
Hmm.
were taking classes for +2 level or so, or what?
Yes, sir. +2 level.
+2 level. Good.
Graduate students.
Yeah, graduate students. What is the difference between a compound interest and a simple interest?
Sir, in simple interest, we will pay interest only for principal amount, and in compound interest, we will pay interest for both principal amount and interest amount. For interest also, we will pay interest.
In banks, which method do we follow?
Both methods, sir.
Both methods? How can we follow both methods?
Sir,
Banks
if
follow
the
only compound interest.
sorry, sir,
Yeah, yeah. Banks
I
follow
don't know
only,
that point.
banks only follow compound interest. Whatever money is there, that will
Okay,
interest will be charged on interest also.
okay, sir.
That is right. Good. Now,
Thank you, sir.
yeah, it doesn't matter. Can you tell me a few points about, say, different deposit schemes,
Different deposit schemes.
or just tell me about the type of deposits?
Sir, it is fixed deposit and term deposit.
Hmm. Yeah. No. Actually, you should have classified as demand deposits, time deposits.
Uh,
Demand deposits are savings bank and current account.
yeah,
Time
time deposits
deposits
are
are
fixed deposit or fixed
recurring
deposit
deposit.
and time recurring deposits.
Recurring deposit. So can you tell me the difference between a savings bank account and a
Uh,
current account? I think yesterday
Sir,
also I asked somebody.
yes, sir. Sir, saving account is for saving the money, and
Hmm.
current account is for business person. For business persons, current account is there,
Okay.
and for saving purpose, saving account is there.
Hmm.
In saving account, we will get a interest for our deposits. In
Hmm.
current account, that the bank didn't pay any type of interest, sir.
Hmm.
And there is a overdraft facility in current account,
Oh,
and
good.
there is no overdraft facility in saving account.
Normally, no overdraft facility savings account, excepting in Jan Dhan Yojana account.
Yes,
Nowadays, they
sir.
allow up to 10,000.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. For self-help groups, women also they will give up to 5,000 as a
Now,
overdraft
I
facility.
think now it has been enhanced to 10,000. Doesn't matter. Good,
Yes,
good,
sir.
good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now tell me the question I asked Raghava also. What is financial inclusion?
Sir, financial inclusion means providing banking facilities to the uh, economically weaker section peoples in the rural or remote areas at an affordable cost.
Very good. That
For that
point
one, we will call it as
at affordable rates. Yeah,
yes, sir.
that point is very important. Not giving banking
Yes, sir.
service is not a problem. Giving banking
Okay, sir.
service at affordable rates.
At affordable cost.
Yeah. Now tell me what are the measures the say government and banks have been taking in this regard.
Sir, first they will introduce lead banking scheme.
Hmm.
After that, they will introduce that banking correspondence scheme,
Hmm.
and the present running
Yeah. Hello. Hello. I think there's voice cut is cutting. Hello. Asha.
financial inclusion scheme is Pradhan. Hello,
Yeah. Hello.
hello.
Now. Yeah. I think it was getting disconnected. Tell me.
Sir, no signal. Sir,
Sig-
first they will introduce the lead banking scheme,
Hmm.
and after that they will introduce that banking correspondence scheme.
Hmm.
After that, now the present running financial inclusion scheme is Pradhana Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana.
Hmm. Now, only thing is communication level in English. You are telling they
Ah,
will introduce. That is wrong.
o-
They
okay,
will.
sir.
It is not that they are going to do. I mean, it has all
Okay,
been done now. Lead bank scheme was introduced.
okay, sir. Okay,
So,
sir.
I mean, in your anxiety, you were talking like
Hmm.
that. Good, good. Doesn't
Yes,
matter.
sir. Yes,
Now,
sir.
tell me something about regional rural banks.
Sir, regional rural banks, the name only suggests that the banks is for rural people, and it is RRBs is especially for providing loans to the farmers and for agricultural purposes. And RRBs, they are preferring that priority sector lending, sir.
Hmm.
For priority sector lending, they will give 75% of their ANBC to the priority sector lending.
Good.
Priority sector lending means education, agriculture, and micro enterprises,
Hmm.
and all those things, sir.
No, you can tell something more also. Tell
Yes,
what are
sir.
the
New and renewable energy, and yeah, sir. I know that much
you have
only.
forgotten, immediately forgotten.
Yes, sir.
Doesn't matter. But this is what is happening in an interview. So for that only,
Mm.
we need to talk more number of times so that you
Yes, sir.
develop confidence to speak. Now
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
tell me why should we, let me rephrase my question.
Okay,
Uh,
sir.
why we should select you as against many others waiting outside. This is
Uh,
the real question asked in State Bank of India. Yeah,
uh,
yeah. Tell me.
real question.
Real
Okay,
question.
sir. Uh,
Yeah. Why should we select you as against many others who are waiting outside?
sir, uh, you found that I had that that
No, no.
eligibility.
See, listen, listen.
That
Here,
eligibility.
no, you should try to tell about your strengths, your attachment towards banking, your liking to become a banker, and your
Okay, sir.
keeping career, your growth as banking only. You try to frame sentences
Okay, sir.
and come out with another answer
Uh,
next time when we meet. Now, uh,
sir,
yeah,
shall I
I think voice is not correct. Sorry.
tell now only?
Hello, voice is not all right.
Hello,
1 minute.
shall I
I'll come to chat.
tell?
Please wait.
Hello,
Please wait. Voice is breaking.
sir, now it is audible.
Now it is audible. I don't know what
Hello,
is. Yeah, now it is okay.
sir.
Okay.
Because I'm a hard worker
And now there is.
and I am obedient to my work, and I will face I will face any difficult challenges came in future brilliant, and I'm self motivational like that, so
Yeah.
that the bank
Hello.
will
Excuse me. It is stating that Galaxy Net's network bandwidth is low. I think you are getting a message like that in yours.
no, sir,
Here it is
I'm not
telling.
getting.
Here it is telling Galaxy J7 next network bandwidth is low. That's why voice is breaking. It is not coming all right. Very nice, Asha. You talk very well with confidence. Thank you. Are you able to listen to me?
Yes, sir. Now I'm audible.
No, your voice is not coming correctly. You are able to
Okay,
hear.
sir.
You are able to hear me, na?
Sir, I'm getting your voice very clearly.
Very good, very good. From there only it is not coming. Good. Now
Yes, sir.
let me suggest you please go through the newspaper also every day. Be thorough with
Yes, sir.
be thorough with the current affairs also.
Okay,
Because
sir.
we are not sure whether they can ask about Atma Nirbhan and all that. Go
Yes,
through.
sir. Yes, sir. They will ask, sir.
Let us those things also you please go through. Apart from that, you are answering very well. No problem. Next time when we
Okay,
meet,
sir.
maybe I will ask very tough questions. And
Okay, sir. Sir, out of 10 marks, how many marks you will give for
I
me,
can
sir?
give you easily 8.
Okay, sir.
I
Thank
can
you,
give
sir.
you 8 easily. I will not give low
Okay.
marks and all. It doesn't matter. But the thing is,
Okay, sir.
um, you have to still more prepare. You have to go through that Bankers Adda banking book or any other banking book. Apart from
Okay, sir.
current affairs and all, then you must be able
Hmm.
to participate well. Best wishes.
Sir, last time also I attended this interview, sir, in 2019, PO interview only. But in that interview, one question they will ask, sir, what is the difference between equal monthly installment and equated monthly installment, sir? Sir, if you know that,
Yeah. Tell
what
me
what is
what
what
is
is
that? Please
what
type
is
it.
the difference?
Yeah, can you type can you type the question, or because voice is breaking,
Okay, sir. Right.
or otherwise you send it in our Telegram group.
Okay, sir.
You put it in our Telegram group. I'll try to make
Okay, sir.
give an answer there, or in our today class at 5 o'clock or so. I will talk about.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Thank you.
sir.
Best
Thank you,
wishes. You
sir.
have done well. And is this the
Okay,
first
sir.
time I'm giving you marks, or earlier also I gave you marks? I don't know.
No, sir. Uh, uh, my first interview with you is yesterday, and
Yeah.
today is the second day, sir. And
One.
you are not giving
Acha,
any
acha.
marks to me, sir.
Yesterday I didn't give you any marks. Yeah. Okay,
Because
thank you.
yesterday I'm not talking well, sir.
Yeah, you were not talking much. Yeah, that's true.
Uh,
Very good. I think because of net, you are using a cell phone only, na?
Yes, sir.
That is why. Possibly you should sit outside so that the signal is good also. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
now it is good. Now I am able to hear you. Yeah, what is the question you
Okay.
said? EMI and
Sir, they will ask me that what is the difference between equal monthly installment and equated monthly installment?
oh, good, good, good. Acha. Even now here,
First, they will ask. First, they will ask what is the difference between simple interest and compound interest. After that, immediately they will ask that question, sir. What is the difference between equal monthly installment and equated monthly installment?
yeah, yeah. See, equal monthly installment means paying same amount of money uh, um,
Okay.
every month, but
Mm,
equated monthly installment will take into account the interest
mm.
factor during the period, and taking that
Okay,
into
sir.
account, the installment will be arrived at a higher rate.
Okay, sir.
The equated monthly installment will be at a higher rate. Equal
Okay,
monthly
sir.
installment will be, say, paying the same amount every
Uh,
month. It can be
uh,
equal or less or more also, but that will not
okay.
take into account the interest factor.
Okay, sir.
That is how I will explain. You told
Uh,
nicely. Acha, one thing here, um, Asha, again
yes, sir.
out of anxiety when you speak, you are telling
Mm,
they will ask, they will tell, they
mm,
asked.
mm.
Could you follow what I say? You should have to
Yes,
use
sir.
they asked, they told,
Uh,
they
mm,
mentioned. Instead of telling they
mm,
will ask, you are telling us, I mean, you are talking as if you are talking in Kannada.
mm.
Like you are telling they will ask. They will ask will
Uh,
come only when a thing has to happen in future.
uh.
That thing, this is the past tense, that which has happened already.
Okay, sir.
So that's not that you don't know. You are worked as a lecturer also. But sorry to
Mm.
suggest, but kindly keep this in mind. Otherwise, I find you are a confident person. You are talking nicely.
Okay, sir. Thank
Best
you, sir.
wishes. Best wishes. You said
Okay.
you are not well. Take rest. Maybe we can talk after a few days. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
sir. Next session,
Next
sir.
session, maybe
When we can.
we can meet after say about a week or so.
Okay, sir.
But you can see me online anytime you come. If I mean, normally around this time of the day, I'll be online. If I am available,
Okay, sir.
if you come, Galaxy comes, I will allow, no problem, you come.
Okay, sir.
And you don't have to talk also, you can listen.
Okay, sir.
Absolutely no problem. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you for giving such an
Uh,
chance to.
Very good. We don't know. I was not aware of, you are able to communicate well. Good. I really rate you at 8 out of 10.
Okay, sir.
Best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, then there
Hello.
is one more candidate, music touching. Who is that, please?
Sir,
Please
I'm
switch on
Chaitra.
your mic.
Hello.
Music touching. What is your name, please?
Sir, I'm Chaitra from Bangalore, sir.
Acha, acha. Chaitra from Bangalore. Yeah.
From Bangalore, but my brought up and born is Kolar, sir.
Okay. Good.
It is near to Bangalore only. 5 years back, we shifted to Bangalore, sir.
Very good. Excuse me. Now 5 o'clock. I have to go for the class for the evening on English.
Oh,
In my
okay, sir.
YouTube. So if you want to come, possibly by tomorrow, you a member of our Telegram group 72020?
No, no, sir, I'm not a member of that
Kindly
group.
become a member of Telegram group
Okay.
72020.
Okay, sir.
SIVAN 2020. I have given it as a message to you.
Uh, okay,
You
sir.
become a member, in which case you can
Hmm.
know when the classes will be there and what you can
So
get to
we'll
know.
we'll get a information about the
Yeah, that
those
one.
classes.
Another point is, if you want to fix an appointment for interview, you can
Okay.
send email to this email ID.
Hmm.
I'm giving
Okay. Just a minute.
samba.sc1@gmail.com.
Okay, sir. Surely.
I have
I'll
given
send.
it in this video. It's in this itself.
Okay.
Or you note my number
Okay, sir.
nine
Actually,
zero
before
zero 900
900
30
30
37
37
557.
557.
If you are a member of say WhatsApp groups, if this number is there, you can put it.
Okay,
Otherwise,
sir.
send a message.
Hmm.
And any
Okay,
day,
sir. I will.
any day
Sure.
like tomorrow,
We'll
day
send.
after tomorrow, you want interview around 3:30 to 4:30 also, you can
Okay, sir.
send me that message. Best wishes.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir. I will send.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.